Hi, we're Brianne and Ben, with our two dogs, Bella and Bucky. On this episode of our van build series, we will show you how we ran and mounted all the wiring that will supply our appliances, our full bathroom, charging station, bedroom, and TV. The first thing we decided to do was cut and reroute the wiring that attached to the backup camera and sensors around the outside of the van. We placed them behind the ribs, that way they are more protected and less likely to be in our way. No worries, we double and triple checked everything and it is all still working. Next, you will see we drilled holes in the ribs and walls of the van in order to run both our AC and DC wiring.
You should call it, let's make some holes in the van.
Lastly, we installed 1 gang and 2 gang electrical outlet boxes to our galvanized wall studs to securely run our wire through.